Let's do from 74, please. Just woodwinds. 74, woodwinds. That part has to be really energetic, or else the beat starts going down. Okay, so watch the tempo there. And short as possible. Same spot, please. Let's add horns to that. 74, yes. Ready? We're going to measure 74, 75, 76, 77. Okay?
You want that to be the pinnacle, the top of the crescendo, or?
72, 73, 74, 75. 76 is the top, and 77
Okay.
okay. 74. Let's add trumpets to that, please. And yeah, trumpets. There we go. Wonderful. 97, 98, 99. As short as possible. Tick-tock. Tan-tan-tira-tick-tock. Tack-tack-tira-tick-tock. Totally, yeah, a different idea. That was great. Let's do, please, back again, 82. Watch that separation of the new idea. Let's do from 82. And woodwinds, you're forte. Okay.
This is everyone.
This is everyone. Yeah, 82. Please, can I have just from 89, let's have just woodwinds, please. 89. You guys, yeah, you're the climax. Is that, are you playing like all what you said? Yes, please, bring it up more. And that's one thing. Let's do the same thing with horns, please. Woodwinds and horns. I'll make sure you take it on. So. Good. I wish I could have like 10 bassoons to help you there. You know, like boom, bring that out. But the good thing let's do just brasses from 106. Whenever you have the long note or the quarter dotted note, make it more clear, that crescendo there, please. Can I have that with third voice, Sheila, and yes. Let me check something. All three, okay. Yes, let's try that. 106, go. Well done, trumpets. Beautiful. But you're sounding old for them. Let's try just horns and Sheila and Maddie. Go, 106. Bring it up, okay?
Do you want an accent on the beginning of that note, or do you want it like a crescendo?
On what's beginning on
On all of the dotted quarter notes you're talking about?
crescendo.
Got it.
Yeah, crescendo. 106. Let's try that measure. 109. Start it softer so there's more contrast whenever you go grow. 108, please. Yeah, and feel that the energy goes to the first beat. Feel that. Okay? Everybody please, 106, and you two girls have to make that really, really noticeable.
Explain for me the double thing almost so I can understand. What's double number? Explain the doubles.
Oh, yeah, this should be sitting here.